Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make paper fish. So, what you all need is an origami sheet, fevistick, and colors. If you don't have an origami sheet at your home, you can use any square piece of paper. So, first we will do coloring in the sheet. This picture is from your general awareness book, page number 25. So let's start coloring. You have to color it very beautifully. So now our coloring is done. We will make paper fish. I will show you the steps and you will follow it. Take your origami, fold it like this. Press it gently. Which shape is this? Yes, triangle. Now unfold it and fold it from the other side. You have to press it very gently. Very good. Now again unfold it. Now you can see the cross. Now what we're going to do? We are going to fold the paper like this. And press it gently. This shape is rectangle. Now hold your paper from the middle and fold it like this. Press the edges gently. Now do it from the other side. Again we have triangle shape. Now hold the edge and fold it to the middle line. Like this. And repeat the step. Now we have the tail of the fish. So now our fish is ready. We are going to draw the eye. So it's ready. Now we are going to paste it with the help of fevistick. And it's done. To make your fish more beautiful, you can draw some design on it. So the sheet looks amazing. So you can also do this activity and send us your pictures and videos. Thank you.